you will never survive the battles and the journey that you are in. That's why it's very helpful for us, mga kapatid, to be reminded that you need somebody to hold on to. You need a shoulder to cry on. You need somebody who will be your refuge and your strength. The very present help in times of your trouble. That when you go through the valley of the shadow of death, you will not be afraid because you know that God is with you. And you are surrounded with people with the same vision, the same agenda, the same purpose. Kasi nga tayo, sa society natin, alone time, introspect, individualism. Kaya ko to. Kaya ko to mag-isa. Kahit wala nakakakilala sa akin sa church, okay lang. Papasok ako doon na hindi nila namamalayan. Lalabas ako hindi namamalayan. Ang tawag ko doon, mga Krisyanong pusa eh. Dahan-dahan lang dumating mamamalayan. Tapos lalabas din sila, hindi mo rin namamalayan. Pero alam nyo, isa sa pinaka-powerful arsenal ni Satan, isolation. Hindi masama na mag-isa. Tinuruan tayo ng Lord na mag-pray in private. Tinuruan tayo ng Panginoon na tumulong in private. Hindi masama yun. But there is nothing that can replace the beauty of